if you landed on this video, I'm gonna try to tell you real quick how I cut bottom door jambs when you don't have two people, you only got one person. Got a table saw here. I'm taking off about 1.25 inches, a hair less. Take a measurement of every door before you cut. Make sure to cut the bottom of the door jamb, not the top side. Double check that, triple check it. Can't say that enough. All right, so this side over here, I got 3 boxes. And if I just left the 3 boxes, it would slide all around and go all over the place. So I got a piece of vinyl flooring, something slippery that's gonna glide this over. I'm gonna make sure that everything is straight over here. This is another tip or trick for you guys to catch all your dust if you don't got a shop vac on the other end. I got a box over here, cut a hole, lock this in so this is nice and tight. It's catching like 80% of the dust over here. We're gonna start cutting this and show you guys how it's done with one person. And keep a straight line, nice edge. Also, these doors that they make right here are really, really flimsy and cheap. So when I slice this off, I'm gonna cut that in and make sure it refits here. What I'm talking about, this door is hollow in here, except for this little like 1 inch of MDF that they got over here. We're gonna use some wood glue over here. We're gonna rip that and put it back in there. That way the door is solid. And when it's nice and strong, then you put the door up. Here we go. This is that bottom door jamb I'm talking about. You got some MDF in here. We want to put that back in there. If you try to slide this in, it won't go in. You got to rip a little bit off. I actually have it set exactly where I don't have to adjust my saw blade, and it will fit in there exactly. You'll have to take 2 of the ends off too with a chop saw. Here we go. All right, got that cut, so I took a little bit off. I'm gonna go take off a little bit off the ends here and we're gonna insert it into the door jamb. All right, see what I mean by these cheap doors? It's just like cheap MDF. These are called double panel. If you're looking for a 6 panel, those are the ones with 6 boxes. They got 3 panel. You can order these and they're only like $10 or $15 more than the basic ones. It makes your modern house look a lot better when you're flipping a house. Got my wood glue on there. We're gonna insert this in. Don't be scared to get your finger a little dirty. Stick it in there and make sure you don't got as many drips. It's a little tricky here. I got one hand on my phone and one hand on the thing trying to show you guys what's going on. So see how we inserted that back in there? Now your door is nice and solid. Make sure to clamp that together or get something real heavy on it. That way it bonds together and doesn't glue with like a little warp or a bubble. That's how you cut a door jamb when you only got one person. Maybe you got 2, it doesn't matter. That's how you do it and that's how you do it right. Got a nice straight line going so you guys can see the work here. Beautiful, thanks. All I ask is give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.